How to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to Metamask. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Piven Basnalt, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer the Ethereum cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Metamask. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, once you open up your Coinbase application, you shall get an interface somewhat like this, your Coinbase wallet, and there on the bottom you'll see the swap option. There you can see the transfer, the arrow icon there. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should get these three options that says convert, send and receive. Simply tap on send crypto to another wallet option, and once you do so, it'll ask you to enter the amount, and once you enter the amount, it'll ask you to enter in your other wallet address, right? So you want to enter in your MetaMask wallet address, and once you do so, it'll be transferred. You can check your MetaMask and you'll receive it there. So this way you can transfer your Ethereum crypto from Coinbase to MetaMask. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.